3. Put mo sa number 3.
Nine.
Yay! Good job!
Papa, what?
How about the number 8? 8. 8?
Nine.
Yes. Put mo sa 8. Where's the number 8? Yay! Good job! Number 5. Yay! Put mo sa number 5. Where's the number 5? Yay! Good job! Number 2. Put mo sa number 2. Yay! Good job! Oh, what number?
One.
1. Good job. Put mo sa number 1. Yay! Clap your hands.